understanding the internet and networks. Hello guys and welcome back. This video is for those who don't know about the internet and how the digital world connects globally, how your phone connects to Wi-Fi, or how people across the world can video chat in real time. It all comes down to networks. In this video, we'll break down the basics: internet, LAN, MAN, and WAN, so even beginners can understand how the digital world connects us all. The internet is a massive global system that connects millions of private, public, academic, business, and government networks. Through this network, we can browse websites, stream videos, send emails, shop online, and so much more. Behind the scenes, data travels through fiber optic cables, satellites, servers, and routers. Think of it as a digital highway connecting information and people globally. A LAN, or local area network, connects computers and devices within a small area, like your home, school, or office. Devices in a LAN share resources such as files, printers, and internet access. LANs are fast, secure, and usually owned by a single organization or person. When your phone connects to your home Wi-Fi, you're using a LAN. A MAN, or Metropolitan Area Network, covers a larger area than a LAN, but smaller than a WAN. It's used to connect users across a city or large campus. WAN stands for Wide Area Network. It connects computers and networks over very large geographical areas, across countries or even continents. The best known WAN? The Internet itself. Let's recap with a quick comparison. LAN covers small areas like homes and offices. MAN spans across cities or campuses. WAN connects long distances, even worldwide. So now you know how the internet and networks like LAN, MAN, and WAN work together to connect our digital lives. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more tech explainers, and drop your questions in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and stay connected.